This is your EFS fuel card here presented on the screen, both the front and the back of the card. And it's important to note a few items on your card. Number one, your card number is made up of actually three sections on the card. And if you look at the front of the card, there's three blocks. There's block 1, block 2, and block 3. All three of those blocks together, starting with the first block, the second block, and the third block, make up your full card number. When you are enrolling in the EFS app on your phone, it's going to ask you for your card number, and it's important to note that you need to input all three of these blocks for a complete card number. So the complete card number on this example card is this digit here. So you can see it's made up of the first block, the second block, and the third block. The only other important item to note on your card is on the back of your card, there is a toll-free number where you can reach out to EFS. This toll-free number is the number you're going to want to utilize in the event that you do not have access to your mobile app and you need to create a money code. You can call this toll-free number, and provided that you have available money on your card to do so, over the phone you can create a money code for one of your checks just like you can through your app. To download the EFS mobile app to manage your e-checks and your payment card, you will need to go out to your app store. In this case that you see on my screen, we are on an iOS device and we're going to go out to the App Store, the Apple App Store. And we are going to search for WEX. And you'll see the second item that we have there is WEX Card Control. We're going to select that. And this was the app that you need to download. Android, it's going to be called the same thing, but you'll get it from the Google Play Store. So we're going to go ahead and download the app to our phone. Now that you've downloaded your fuel card control app to your mobile device, we're going to go ahead and launch the app now. The first time you run this app, it's going to ask you for your card number and your PIN. Your card number, if you remember, is made up of block 1, 2, and 3 that we discussed on your fuel card to make your entire fuel card number. So starting with the smaller numbers in the top left, you enter those. The second group of smaller numbers, ending with the large group of numbers. I'm going to enter this card number now. And your initial PIN code is the last 4 digits of your card. And we're going to hit login. After your first login, you'll be prompted to create your own new PIN number. This is a personal number that you can remember, and it needs to be 4 digits. For this example, I'm just going to use 7629. And you hit next. And now it allows you, if your phone has biometrics such as Face ID or Touch ID, you can say yes, and that way in the future, when you log in, it's going to use your biometrics quickly. You also want to turn on notifications so you'll have any alerts that you need to related to your card. So from your card's home screen, this is where you will see your available cash once your dispatcher puts available money for cash advances on it. And from there, you'll be able to hit register check, which will allow you to type in the amount of your check and then go through the steps to register your money code for items such as a lumper. Please remember that if you want to use the register check function, that you must have a paper check and a paper check number to go with it to be able to create the money code. Other than that, if you have available cash advance money, you can use your card and your PIN at any type ATM system to receive the cash advance that you need. You can also review any transactions that you've had, any of your card activity in here. And that is the extent of the management you will do on your fuel card within the card management app. This concludes our overview of your EFS fuel card, its usage, as well as how to log in and utilize the mobile app to manage money codes and cash advances. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your account manager. Folks in the home office, we're all here and happy to help. Be safe out there, and we appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks.